The first thing you're going to do is open up utahcompose.com, and it sometimes takes a minute to load, but once you get onto this page, you'll go to the user login, and I already have a username set up for you. So you're going to type in that's your state student ID, and then the password, and I have both of these for you if you've never logged in before, or if you haven't logged in several years. So this should be for you. So I have open here a student, and so I will go, if I were you, I would go find my language arts class. And then once you get to this point, you're going to go to practice right here and click on it. The only prompt that you should be able to see is this Frankenstein essay. So when you get to there, you're going to hit begin writing. And hopefully you've already written it because it only gives you 1 hour. So what I have open on another page is my Frankenstein essay. So I'm going to copy all of that, not the rubric, but I'm going to copy the essay. And then Control C. And then I'm going to go into here and Control V, paste the whole thing. And then I'm going to hit submit. Yes, I want to submit this essay. So what this computer program does is it grades it for you. The computer grades it. And so it will give you feedback based on your essay. It tells you what the score for your essay is, and I'm pretty sure it's out of 25. So this is a pretty well-written essay. It's actually one of the examples that I used. One of my students wrote it in 2017. But I can see that my development of ideas out of 5, they're 3.6, 3.3 out of organization, style, word choice is great, did really well with spelling and grammar conventions. And then down here, it tells you kind of a breakdown of your score. So you got 3.6 out of 5 here for development of ideas. Now, how can I make those better, make that a 5? It gives you some suggestions on, well, it tells you what you did right. So she says, the writing is clear, focused, and generally appropriate for the task, purpose, and audience. Your intro and conclusion connect to the rest of the essay. You use the right literary strategies and techniques. You use enough support. Your essay holds readers' attention, and your reasons and supporting details are logical and related to your claim. But if you want to improve, it gives you some evidence lessons. So using text evidence, apparently, I think the analysis might have been a little weak. Here it says organization, feedback. Be sure to bring your essay to close with a good conclusion. So needs to work on the conclusion a little bit. The style, there's a lot of them that says, okay, here's good, here's good. Some feedback on your word choice though. Check your writing for places you can choose words that are more specific to make your writing more informative. Adding strong verbs, specific nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Feedback here, sentence fluency. Your use of different kinds of sentences makes your writing more interesting. So that's a good feedback. Evaluation check to make sure your grammar is really correct. And so just read through all the feedback. And a lot of times, this is a bad example, but specifically it'll say like right here, here's a little comment, this word might be misspelled. Check to see if one of the following words is the one you meant. She meant AKA, but so yeah, so there'll be lots of things highlighted probably in yours. And then you can go to revise here, or you can revise in your own back in here, and then make some corrections. So what I want you to do to turn in on Canvas is go Control P to print the page, and you're going to change it to save as PDF. And that way you have your score report, it has your whole essay, and it has this whole thing for you, and it'll save it as a PDF. You hit save, And on my computer, since I'm not on a Chromebook, it will save to my computer, but I think yours actually saves inside your Google Docs. So that is one step that you don't have to do that I do. So you would hit save there if you're on your own computer and save it into your Google Drive if it is your computer. And then when you go to Canvas and to your Canvas course, mine's going to look a little different because I'm the teacher, but you go into your class and then go to your assignment. To the Utah Compose Submission assignment. You will just submit it there. So you'll do it as a file upload. So yours will say submit right here. So click on that and then upload it just like you would your Google Docs. But you're going to upload that PDF for me. And that is it. That's worth 20 points and it is part of your essay grade. So do not neglect this part of the assignment. You also have a peer review to do in addition to this on paper. So don't forget.